100 years ago, we illuminated Berlin with Europe's first electric traffic light. That has changed traffic management fundamentally. But what has happened since then? Only a few milestones have influenced traffic management. From the 60s to the new millennium, we've seen the development of induction loops for detection, the redefinition of traffic control with Scoot, and the revolution in traffic management with Concert. But in recent decades, the pace of transformation has slowed. Until now. Today, a new era has arrived. Global challenges are forcing us to rethink all areas of life, with mobility at the forefront. Mobility must evolve to be smarter, safer, and more sustainable. The question is no longer if, but how. We need more intelligent responses to individual challenges, moving from siloed solutions to a holistic approach. The good news: technological advancements turn this vision into reality. Instead of static systems, we will manage traffic in a flexible and customizable way. Moving away from localized systems, we will respond multimodally to any scenario. With the help of AI-based detection, we will get closer to Vision Zero. We solve tomorrow's mobility challenges today. We are ready to unlock tomorrow. Are you?